warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning everyone.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
Very well, thank you. What about you, ma'am?
Alhamdulillah, I'm very well as well. Thanks. And make doa before we study.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Maliki yaumiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin. Rabbil firli wa liwalidayya wa lil mu'minina amin.
Okay. So, did you still remember the last subject I taught you last week?
Yes.
Okay. What about you, Gendis? Can you tell me?
Poster text is a text that explains, inform or help the readers on how to make or use something.
Good, very good. Give applause to your friend. So, as I promised you before, today we're gonna practicing a procedure text, which is in this moment will make Okay, are you ready for that?
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Safira Putri, and my name is Safina Putri. Today, we would like to tell you all how to make a sandwich. Sandwich is a popular bread that is simple and easy to make. It is eaten for lunch. To make a sandwich, you should have bread, a slice of bread, slice of cheese, slice of tomatoes, slice of meat, hamburger, lettuce, tomato sauce, chili sauce, and mayonnaise.
Okay. So how to make a sandwich? Can you tell me the steps?
Firstly, place a slice of bread on a plate. Second, put some tomato sauce on it. A slice of meat. Mayonnaise. And chili sauce. And last, on the top. Finally, serve it.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ahlan wa sahlan. Hello everyone, my name is Bilbina and my name is Mentari, and we are purpose in front of you all is to practice the procedure text. Do you know what is sandwich? Yes, sandwich is delicious food and easy to make it. And I want to explain to you how to make it. First of all, we need to prepare the ingredients. They are a slice of bread, cheddar cheese, cucumber, a slice of meat, tomatoes, lettuce, tomato sauce, chili sauce, and mayonnaise. done and ready to serve. Enjoy your sandwich!
Yeah. Enjoy. Ya, makan. Sama-sama. You're welcome.
Delicious.
How is the taste? Delicious. Masya Allah.
Thanks, ma'am.
Enak?
Sandwich saya beda sendiri. Dari video, ma'am.